Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, save the game and confirm you meet the prerequisites, the level, repair or speech threshold, and basic stealth kit. Once saved, travel to the ranger-controlled locations specified by the only way route and enter from the less patrolled flank to reduce immediate detection. Make sure to equip stealth gear and a suppressor, then scope patrols to plan timing. Move into position. Do not engage yet. The goal here is to create an opening for a clean takedown without triggering reinforcements. Once in position, stalk an isolated ranger and use your stealth multiplier to initiate a critical. If you have sneak criticals enabled, a single suppressed shot or melee sneak attack will incapacitate them and trigger the takedown condition. Make sure to loot key items only after the enemy is down so you avoid alerting others. If doors or alarms are an obstacle, pick locks or remove power sources to reroute patrols. Move fast after the takedown to secure the item and exit before backup arrives. Finish by securing the item in your inventory and saving again to lock progress. If the only way condition fails to register, reload to your pre-engagement save and repeat the stealth takedown, making tiny adjustments to range or weapon choice. That usually fixes trigger issues. If you were detected and reinforcements arrive, disengage, heal, then use the wait mechanic for 24 hours to reset enemy positions and retry with better timing or a stealth buy. One clear reload sneak usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.